As we all know, right above RBP, that is RBP plus 8, there lives the return address of the present function. So let's say we keep writing, and in order to be able to overwrite the return address of this function, as well as the saved RBP, we have inevitably to overwrite the canary. Since the canary is a pretty big value, there is no way for us to know what is value unless we leak it somehow, of course. In other words, it can't be brute forced. So whenever we overwrite this value, before the function reaches its epilogue, it will check whether the value that is present in the canary position, that is RBP minus 8 in our diagram, equals to whatever the original value of the canary is. Since we have overwritten this position